Would you invest $25,000 if it could potentially add $50,000 in value? This rental had been neglected for many years. We refreshed the exterior, renovated the interior, and completely changed the way buyers will see this house. A small investment helped move the projected listing price from $700,000 to $780,000. If you're sitting on a property that needs work, you're not alone. My team can handle renovation, cleaning, staging, and preparation so you can focus on getting the best result possible. Reach out and let's talk.